You're watching Gotcha Racing TV. Yeah!
Hey there, welcome race fans to the Hall of SEMA, to the Hall of Fashion, to the Hall of Ballers. This is the opening day of the SEMA Show in Las Vegas, Nevada. This is where all the big guns come to play. Not only do they come to play here, they come to do business here. Most of the people here, I should say the majority of the people here are shop owners in their respective areas, okay? You'll find some from Guatemala, Argentina, China, Japan, Indonesia, all of South America, and of course all the United States. All the big players are here because they want to make deals with all of these guys here. From Mothers to Holland, to Ride-Tech, to Moon Eyes. All the major players are here. And this is only one hall. Now, folks, listen. There's 15 miles of walking here at SEMA, but there's more because they just opened up the west side. So my God, you can't do it all in 3 days. You can't. When we had 3 crews, you still couldn't do it. Now it's gotten larger. But this is what we do, okay? We bring it to you live. We bring it to you correct here from the floor of SEMA. We're in the C Hall. I tell you what, it gets larger and larger every year, and the players get larger and larger every year, and the cars get more exotic and more exotic every year. Hey, this is SEMA 22. Joe Britt, Gotcha Racing Live, Gotcha Racing TV. We're here, and we're going to show you what this is all about for the 19th year we've been shooting SEMA. Welcome aboard, folks. Go on for the ride. Let's do this right. Welcome to SEMA. Hey there, and welcome back, race fans. This is Joe Britt. I'm still live at the SEMA Show, and I'm tired as all heck. Okay. Oh, there we go. Hopefully you can see him a little bit, but nevertheless, we're having just a fantastic time here, perusing and talking and doing what I do best and running my mouth for you guys that are on the other side of my mic. Hey, you know what? You would never believe. Well, yeah, you believe because you know how I do things. I'm tired. I'm resting on my my box that has all my high-priced cameras on and whatnot, and lo and behold, I run into a guy that's resting his back also. Hey, how you doing, Miss Baxton? Anyway, this is live, by the way. He's resting his back, and lo and behold, this guy's from Arizona, and he does gaskets. And we're not even inside the SEMA show. This guy has a hell of a product out here, and I have to introduce you because I'm always giving everyone a shot at sunshine. I'm always doing that. You know that. I always find that diamond in the rough for everybody. Let me introduce you to, you know, Lonnie Visconti. Okay? He owns a company in Arizona called Copper Gaskets Unlimited. Brother, how you doing?
Doing good here.
Come on over. I don't bite.
I know you don't.
And I don't think I smell too much, man.
No.
But anyway, how you doing?
I'm doing good. Doing good. Just, I'm like you. I'm resting myself. I've been walking this show for hours, and it's brutal.
When you told me that, you know, we're just shooting the breeze, and you said, you know, that you do the gaskets out of your manufacturing plant in Arizona, it caught my attention. And then when I saw your product, I'm going, holy crap, you should be inside, but you're here. Tell me what's going on with your company, man.
Oh, we've been doing business since 2002. The owner of the business was Mike Malone. He was a top fuel drag bike racer back in the 80s. And I just so happened, I was a machinist, and I ran into his wife, and me and her decided to become business partners, and then I ended up buying her out, and I just produce copper gaskets for high performance engines and kart racing people, motorcycles. I do a lot of motorcycle stuff. I have my own website, Copper Gaskets Unlimited. Copper Gaskets. Oh boy, www.coppergaskets.us.
Okay, I got you.
But I sell a lot on eBay. I mean, I do anything. I do custom stuff, big bore stuff, different thicknesses for people to raise or lower their compression. But yeah, that's what I do.
So, are you since let's see, are you available to do like one-offs?
Oh, yeah, I do one-off custom stuff for everybody. I
Really?
mean, it just depends on their application, you know, and what they need done. Big bores, I can eliminate water jackets. I can eliminate whatever they want me to do. I can make custom gaskets at a really reasonable price. I mean, I have them all over, you know, on eBay.
You know what? We've interviewed the guys at Mr. Gasket, right? But that was a little while ago, and I love meeting entrepreneurs, man, and I love meeting hustlers, you know. And that sounds like that is your category, man.
It is my category. Yeah, I've heard of Mr. Gasket. There's Comatic. They're my big competitors. But you know what? I do a lot of stuff for the small guys that only want ones or twosy things. You know, 1 piece here, 5 pieces there. It's once they see my product and see what I do, they go, wow, you know, where's this guy been? You know, because I do some off-the-wall stuff for these guys that they can't even find these gaskets anymore. Honda doesn't reproduce the older 70s stuff. I do.
Has anybody out there given you any love, man, as far as promoting your business?
You?
I'm here for you, man, because I see your product.
I don't do a whole lot. You know, eBay's been awesome, even, you know, for me. I got my own website, Copper Gaskets Unlimited at yahoo.com is my email, but I'm not that hard to find. If you just get a search for Copper Gaskets Unlimited, you should find me.
Okay, so now if I'm on eBay and I'm cruising eBay, and from this here, where would I go to find you on eBay?
My eBay store is Copper Gaskets 63 is my eBay store.
Okay, and give us your website.
www.coppergaskets.us.
Now, see, I know you've said that a couple of times, but a lot of people are still sleeping, man. You know, so I always say, let's repeat that at least 3 times, and then they'll finally, hopefully, they will finally get it, and it will get to their head. So give it to me one more time.
www.coppergaskets.us. Again, www.coppergaskets.us.
Now, see, he did that 4 times. And you guys, if you want something like that, if you want some quality gaskets, you got to give this guy a call. You got to go, give me your phone number, man.
623-340-4300. Again, 623-340-4300.
So, and that's how we do it. We're at the SEMA Show walking around, and right now I'm sitting on my behind. And hey, look what kind of footage I got for you guys. Look at the information I got from the grass here. And I'm not even inside SEMA. I'm on the outside. And we're doing a hell of a job for you guys here at Gotcha Racing Live, Gotcha Racing TV. And we're in SEMA, folks. We're doing what we do best, running our mouth, and we find that diamond in the rough. Hey, let me turn this around, let you see what I see, and then we're going to cut it off. Thank you for the interview, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
That was awesome.